What is the observer effect? Have you ever wondered whether simply watching something can change what actually happens? In science, this idea isn't philosophical speculation. It's a real and measurable phenomenon known as the observer effect. At its core, the observer effect refers to the fact that the act of observing a system can alter its behavior. This concept appears across multiple fields, but it is most famously associated with quantum physics. In the microscopic world of particles, observing isn't passive. To measure something, scientists must interact with it, and that interaction can change the outcome. A classic example is the double-slit experiment. When particles like electrons are not observed, they behave like waves, creating an interference pattern. But when scientists try to observe which path the particles take, the wave pattern disappears, and the particles behave like solid objects instead. The mere act of measurement changes how reality unfolds at the quantum level. However, the observer effect isn't limited to physics. It also appears in psychology, sociology, and everyday life. In behavioral studies, people often change how they act when they know they're being watched, a phenomenon closely related to the observer effect. Employees may work harder, students may behave differently, and even animals can alter their behavior under observation. It's important to clarify a common misunderstanding. The observer effect does not mean that human consciousness magically creates reality. Rather, it highlights the unavoidable influence of measurement, interaction, and awareness. In many cases, the tools we use to observe, cameras, sensors, surveys, or even questions, become part of the system itself. The observer effect challenges a comforting assumption that we can study the universe without influencing it. Instead, it reminds us that knowledge often comes at a cost. To understand something, we must touch it, measure it, or look at it, and in doing so, we change it. In the end, the observer effect reveals a profound truth about reality. We are not separate from the systems we observe. Whether at the smallest quantum scale or in human behavior, observation is never neutral. It shapes outcomes, alters patterns, and reminds us that reality is far more interactive than it first appears.